Alright, here we go, guys. It's Horny Joe 24. I'm showing around my little paintball area where we play, or not paintball, but airsoft. This is where all my buddies come and play. It's a pretty fun area, hard environment to play in because of all the leaves. It's very loud. You have to be extremely sneaky or you will be caught. I will show you where the flag will be posted when we play capture the flag. Pretty nice area to play in, you know, for a little backyard airsoft. Whoa, about fell. Let's see what tripped on. Well, watch out for stuff like that right there. This area right here, by the creek, where the flag will be posted, one of the flags. Right here on this little island. Here's the creek. If you're using a sniper, you want to get people off guard. Get up on this little hill right here, across the little 4-inch deep creek. Ooh, it's the ocean, boys. Woo! Or you can simply walk across and jump over there. Probably be easy just to climb up this little stairs, makeshift stairs I made over there. But yeah, it'd be a good area to put paintball in. Not paintball, my God, airsoft. Now, to see me in action. You ready? This is just pretending guys ain't got nothing better to do. Get behind this tree here, poke out. You can hide in all that brush over here. Let me take you over to it. right there. You can come over here and get on this little area over here, hide in those weeds over there. Hide down in the creek if you like, jump up and get them. See how much ammo I got. Got 5 left. Another thing to be careful about, we got all kinds of briars out here, so I suggest gloves. Gloves, pants, and maybe a long sleeve shirt, a little jacket maybe. This is a very, very fun environment to play in when it's raining. Makes it very fun. And I'll show you where the other flag will be. Just ran into a bunch of briars. The other flag can be posted right in there, or can be posted up here, whichever one you like. Alright guys, this is war.